What's up, guys? Dave here, back with another episode of Tech UnRaveled. In this episode, I will give you my final thoughts on the Honor Watch GS Pro. But before we begin the video, I want to remind you of the ongoing giveaway running on this channel right now. Keep an eye out for the secret password that I will unveil in this video that's going to give you 1,000 extra entries. All the details for that giveaway is down in the description. Grab your popcorn, get excited, and let's go. Alright guys, so I've been using the Honor Watch Pro for a few weeks now, and I would like to talk about 4 key points: battery, features, durability, and usability. But first, let's get all the specs out of the way. The watch comes in 3 different colors: charcoal black, marl white, and camo blue. The watch has a 1.39-inch AMOLED round display, which is 454 by 454 at 326 ppi. The watch dimensions are 48 by 48 millimeters and weighs in without the strap at 45.5 grams. The Honor Watch has a 25-day battery life under regular use or 100 hours with GPS mode turned on. Honor sells this watch for about $299, but check out the link in the description for a much lower price. Here's how everything breaks down. Let's start out with the battery life. Honor claims a full 25 days of battery life, and I believe this statement is true. I charged the watch up to 100% 7 days ago, and as of shooting this video, I still have 68% left. For me, I personally thought 1 or 2 days was sufficient for a smartwatch because I charged my phone every night. But when you do that, when you charge your phone at night, you miss out on one of the Honor Watch GS Pro's most significant features: the ability to track your sleep patterns. I actually find this fascinating to see how I'm sleeping, and I check it out every morning. The other great thing is if you're going on a trip, you never have to worry about bringing an extra charger for the watch or having battery anxiety, which I suffer from a lot. You're always gonna make it to the end of the day. Now let's get a little deeper into the features. The Honor Watch GS Pro is loaded, packed full of features. Let's start with the watch faces. There are a ton of different watch faces to choose from. There is something for everyone. I personally have settled on the watch face called Warrior. The watch also has a heart rate monitor, a stress monitor that I'm obsessed with. I'm always checking it, and you can check your oxygen saturation levels. Also, if you spend time outdoors, this watch has a built-in high precision dual satellite navigation system, which is extremely handy if you go on long hikes. It'll help you track your way back if you get lost or unsure of the exact path. It has 103 different workout modes, including activities like spinning, yoga, CrossFit, or hockey. There's a ton of options to choose from. Now, everything is stored on the Huawei Health app. Let me show you how to check it all out. When you open the app, you are first shown your steps for the day and how much time you've spent moving. I'm seriously not doing a good job today. Now, the boxes below can be customized, the boxes can be removed, and the order can be changed. Let's click on the heart rate box first. As you can see, you're first presented with the day, but you can cycle through the week, month, and year by just clicking on each one. If you go back and click on the sleep box, it gives you all the information. You again can cycle through day, week, month, and year. It also gives you a breakdown of how you're sleeping. Let's go back again and click on the stress box. Again, you'll see the analysis of the day, week, month, and year. And below, it shows all the data. Let's go back one more and check out the oxygen saturation level. Now, I have this feature set up on my function button. So if you click the button, tap on the screen when you're ready, and it'll start taking your reading. The way you set up your function button is by swiping down on the home screen and tapping settings and then clicking on the down button. You can choose whatever option you want the button to activate. When you're in here, you can go back by either swiping back or to go directly to the home screen, just click the home button and it will take you straight back to the home screen. If you click the edit button, you can change the order by holding and dragging where you want. You can also remove the items from your home screen by clicking the X and easily add them back by tapping on the plus. At the very bottom, you have a bar that goes across the screen. It shows your health, exercise, device, and me. If you click on exercise, you can quickly start different activities to be tracked. If you click on tools, you can select whichever device you want to manage or your music to the watch, which can hold 500 songs independently. If you choose the GS Pro option, you will have the ability to adjust even more settings, reset the watch, and or check for firmware updates. Durability. The Honor Watch GS Pro is designed to take a beating and withstand the harshest environments. The GS Pro has complied with 14 different mil standard 810G tests, including temperature, altitude resistance, salt spray, sand resistance, and humidity resistance, enabling it to withstand extreme conditions. By the way, the password is Huawei 2020. Hope you're paying attention. So, in the end, what do I think? I think this is a compelling offer from Honor. I think the Honor Watch GS Pro packs in a lot of hardware for the money. I think if you are in the market for a rugged sport watch, you should take this into serious consideration. I believe with a 25-day battery life, built-in GPS, 100+ workout modes, and 14 different mil-spec 810G standards, you can't beat it. One more thing. Probably saw this over here. So that's what I have for you today. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Peace!